So now we'll learn some problems under the transformation W is equal to Z square. Just now we have learned this, right? W is equal to Z square. So let us learn that. In this transformation, U is equal to x square minus y square and V is equal to 2xy. Okay, U is equal to x square minus y square and V is equal to 2xy. So under this, just now we derived it, right? We have derived earlier when W is equal to Z square, real part is x square minus y square and imaginary part is 2xy. So you should remember this, okay? You should remember this or you have to derive this. So now we will consider a problem here. See, example question. Here is an example, that is the image of the line x is equal to a greater than 0 under transformation W is equal to Z square. So let us find the image of the line. Let us find the image of the line x is equal to a under the transformation W is equal to Z square. So first of all you have to take U is equal to, we take U is equal to x square minus y square and V is equal to 2xy, and in this question x is equal to a. Okay, U is equal to x square minus y square, V is equal to 2ay, but x is equal to a. So instead of x we take a. So a square minus y square. We get a square minus y square and V is equal to 2ay, because x is a, we substitute it. Now from this equation we can name it as equation, U is equation 1 and V is equation 2, eliminating from 2. So from 2 we get y is equal to V by 2a. Okay, you can take this 2a to the denominator, V by 2a. Now substitute this in equation 1. You can take this as equation 1. Okay, in this U, substitute y is equal to V by 2a. So here a square minus v. What is y? What is y? So from this we get y is equal to V by 2a, right, from this equation. So let us substitute it here. Y square means V square by 4a square. So squaring y, V square by 4a square. So we get a square minus V square by 4a square. So U is equal to a square minus V square by 4a square. Now taking LCM, 4a square into a square, 4a square, a square into a square, a raised to 4. So we get 4a raised to 4a raised to 4 minus v square whole divided by 4a square. Okay, cross multiply 4a power 4 minus v square by 4a square. So now again 4a square into u, 4a square u. 4a square u is equal to 4a raised to 4 minus v square. So v square is equal to, you can take this v square to the NHS. So v square is equal to 4a power 4 minus 4a square u. So this v square is equal to 4a power 4 minus 4a square. Now common term is 4a square from these two terms, from first and second term, 4a square. So you get within bracket a square minus u. Okay, 4a square if you take common, a square minus u. Now this a square minus u can be written as u minus a square, so that you have to take a minus sign. Okay, minus 4a square into u minus a square, minus 4a square into u minus a square, which is a parabola. So now we understood this is a parabola. So just now we learned, right, the general form, v square minus. So this is a parabola in uv axis, that is in w plane. Here the parabola will be like this. Okay, it will be in w plane, that is, you see, you can learn from this graph, because graph is at plane. So actually what is the question? X is equal to a. So we want the image of the line x is equal to a. So x is equal to a means when you have x and y, you have to take z plane. Whenever you have x and y, that will be in z plane. Whenever you have u and v, that is in w plane. So x is equal to a is in z plane. So you get, you see, x is equal to a, so this one x is equal to a is in z plane, that is a straight line cutting the x-axis. So you know x is equal to a is a straight line cutting x-axis in z plane. What is the image of this x is equal to a? Image is a parabola. So finally we reached a parabola here, right? So this is a parabola. This is a parabola. What about the vertex? Vertex is a square comma 0. You see, this is the general form of parabola. This is the general form of parabola. Okay, with vertex. What is the vertex? H comma k. So you can take the term with u and the term with v. So in this case, term with u is a square. So what about the vertex? Vertex is a square comma. So you can compare with this h comma k, right? So here it is a square comma. What is the term together with v? V minus 0. V minus 0. A square comma 0 is the vertex. Also, if you have a negative sign, it will be open towards the negative side, right? Negative side of u axis. So it will be like this. So the graph will be like this. So it is open towards the negative side. And what about the vertex? Vertex is a square comma 0. So that's why I take vertex is a square comma 0 using the general form h comma k. We can type a square comma 0, that is the vertex, and this is the focus. Focus is at a distance a square. So you get like this. This is distance. What about the distance here? Distance is a square. So 0 comma 0 is the focus. Okay, 0 comma 0 is the focus. Distance is a square. And a square comma 0, this is vertex. So you get like this. This is the point, the vertex point, a square comma 0, and this distance. If this is a square comma 0 and this distance is a square, right? The focus is at a distance a square. So this point is the focus here. Okay, this point is the focus because focus is at a distance a square from the vertex. So this also, this negative sign, that it is open towards the negative. This is negative side of u axis, right? This is negative, open towards the negative side of u axis. So our conclusion is, what is the conclusion? This is the conclusion. X is equal to a is in z plane, and image is a parabola which is open towards the negative side of u axis with vertex a square comma 0 and focus 0 0. Okay, so you can write the, that is the image. So you should understand, find the image of the line. You can make the question like this: find the image of the line x is equal to a under transformation w is equal to z square. So you can follow the steps, and finally we start with x is equal to a. We have to substitute, and u and v we are getting an equation. Okay, eliminate x and y from this. Using these two equations, eliminate x and y. We get an equation in u and v. Okay, u and v we should get an equation. Image will be always in terms of u and v. Okay, image will be in w plane. Okay, so this is a parabola. So the question is in z plane, that is x and y. Image will be in w plane. Okay, image will be in w plane, that is in u and v. Here it is a parabola, so you can write all these things when you write about the image. The next question, find the image of x is equal to minus a under the transformation w is equal to z square. So when you take x is equal to minus a, let us continue with the same method as the previous problem. Since w is equal to z square is the transformation, u and v, there is no change in u and v. U and v will be like this. And now x is equal to minus a. What will be x square? X square means minus a the whole square. X square is minus a the whole square. Minus will become plus, that is a square. So instead of this we write a square minus y square. Now 2xy, right? What is x? X is minus a. This x is minus a. So minus 2ay. Minus x minus a means minus 2ay. That is v. Now from this equation, let it be equation 2 and this is equation 1. From equation 2, y is equal to v by minus 2a. Y is equal to v divided by minus 2a. V by y is equal to v divided by minus 2. So now one implies same as previous question. One implies u is equal to a square minus what is y square? Y square, when you square this minus will become plus whole square, right? Minus will become plus b square by 4a square. So b square by 4a square. So remaining is same as the previous problem. In the previous problem we came across the same equation, u is equal to a square minus b square by 4a square. Then you can follow the same step, you get the same parabola and the answer is also same. Image of x is equal to minus a is this parabola. You can write the same statements also. You can write the same statements and you can draw the same graph, but only difference, instead of x is equal to a, you make it as x is equal to minus a, because in z plane, what's our question? Our question is, what's our question? Image of x is equal to minus a. So you can this graph will become this graph. There is a change in this graph. Okay, don't draw this graph. You can draw this in the left hand side. And in z plane, okay, in z plane you can draw like this, in the negative side, okay, because x is equal to, this is the line, x is equal to minus a, okay, this is minus a point, negative side, points will be in the negative side, okay. That's why we take z plane. In z plane, this is the graph, x is equal to minus a, this is the straight line, x is equal to, this point is minus a, so we get x is equal to minus a is this straight line. What about its image? Its image is w plane is like this, because the final parabola is this. We can go through the same explanation as in the previous problem, just you can change this graph. Don't draw this graph, instead of this graph you have to draw this graph, okay. So that is the solution. That means what we are doing, we are finding the image. So in z plane, x is equal to minus a. When you make a transformation, we have to find in w plane. In w plane, what we get is, we get a w plane means you have to take u and v, and the image is a parabola. That's it. Next question is, find the image of the region a less than x less than b, a is greater than 0, b is greater than 0, under w is equal to z square. So here it is same as the previous problems, that is, I'll give you the hint. First you have to take x is equal to a, then you have to take x is equal to b. So straight line x is equal to a, already we have proved the image is a parabola, so you can follow the same step, okay. For x equal to a, you can follow the same step and you can reach this parabola. And second case, when x is equal to b, you replace a by b. So again, when x is equal to b, you get the same parabola where a is b, that is b square equal to minus 4 b square into u minus b square, okay. So this is the answer, but you have to take the between region. X is between a to b, then parabola also you have to take the in between region, okay. So the graph will be like this. Z plane, x is between a to b. So you can draw the line. This line is x is equal to a. This line is x is equal to b, and x lies between a to b, right? In the question it is given in between. So you can shade this region. That is in between region. You shade it. Similarly, you can draw the two parabola. This is for a, and the second parabola is for x is equal to b, and there also you have to take the in between region. The shaded region gives the answer. So that is the image of the given region. Okay, the image of x between a to b is the region bounded between this first parabola and the second parabola. That is the solution. Now Next question, find the image of y is equal to a. A is greater than 0 under w is equal to z square. You can try this on your own. Instead of y, you have to take a. Okay, instead of y, you have to take a. Find out x. You find out x and substitute it here, and you can continue with the solution. Okay, next example. Find the image of this strip 1 by 2 less than x less than 1 under the transformation w is equal to z square. Okay, that is find the image of x between 1 by 2 to 1 and the transformation is w is equal to z square. So we take u and v. Okay, u and v, u is x square minus y square, v is 2xy, same as the previous question. You can take w plus iv is x plus iy. Expanding, we get this, right? Already we have derived this. You can take u as the real part and v as the imaginary part 2xy. So this is nothing but taking w as u plus iv and z as x plus iy. So we have derived it earlier. Now let us take x is equal to 1 by 2. Because what about the first value? First you have to take x is equal to 1 by 2, then you have to take x is equal to 1. So when x is 1 by 2, u is equal to 1 by 4 minus. So instead of this x, you take 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 the whole square is 1 by 4 minus y square. V is equal to 2 xy. What is x? X is 1 by 2. So instead of this x, you can write 1 by 2 means 2 will be eliminated. You have only y. Okay, when you take x as 1 by 2, you have only y. V is equal to y. So now from this, substitute v is equal, y is equal to v in this equation. So you can take this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Substitute in y is equal to v. So when you substitute y as v, you get v square here. U is equal to 1 by 4 minus v square. Okay, because y is v. 1 by 4 minus v square. And from this you find v square, taking v square minus v square when it comes to LHS plus v square, u when it goes to the RHS minus u. So v square is equal to, you can interchange the terms, u minus 1 by 4, so you have to take a negative sign here, okay. So whenever you interchange this b minus a to a minus b, you have to take a minus sign. So you get minus u minus 1 by 4. So this is a parabola, but you need 4a, right? In the general form, you should have 4a. Earlier we learned the general form. Y square is equal to 4a into x minus, okay, or 4ax. 4a, 4. So to bring it in that form, you multiply and divide by 4. What here is a small adjustment to make this in the parabola form. Minus, so you multiply by 4, then you have to divide by 4. So 4 into 1 by 4, u minus 1 by 4, which represents a parabola. Okay, this represents a parabola with vertex at 1 by 4 comma 0 and focus. What is the focus? 1 by 4 comma. Okay, it is focus is 1 by 4. Focus is at a distance 1 by 4. 4a. A is the focus, that is 1 by. So this represents a parabola with a vertex 1 by 4 comma 0. What do we take 0? So if this is the general form, okay, here you have a minus sign also, right? This is the general form. If you want, you can take minus or plus. Just I will explain this. Vertex is h comma k and focus is a comma 0 because the distance is a. The distance is a from the vertex. In this case, we have v square is equal to minus 4 into 1 by 4 into u minus 1 by 4. U minus 1 by 4. So this v square can be taken as v minus 0 the whole square. Okay. So comparing with the general form, v minus, what is k? K is 0. U minus h, what is h? So vertex is h comma k is here. This is h and this is k. 1 by 4 comma 0. 1 by 4 comma 0. And focus is also But what about a value here? A is 1 by 4. You can take a minus sign. It's okay to take a minus sign. A is 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 comma 0. Okay. So this gives the vertex and the focus. So now we'll go to the next what is that? X value, that is x is equal to 1. So our question, what's our question? Our question is 1 by 2 less than x less than 1, right? So x is equal to 1 by 2 is the first case. Second case is x is equal to 1 is the second case. So we go to the second case. When x is 1, you see u becomes 1 minus y square and v becomes 2y. You can substitute x as 1. In this equation here, when x is 1, 1 minus y square. When x is 1, v is equal to 2y. V is equal to 2y. So now from this y is equal to v by 2. So you can substitute v by 2 in this equation. Okay, y is v by 2. V by 2 the whole square means v square by 4. 1 minus v square by 4. U is equal to 1 minus v square by 4. And now from this we can find v square, right? So taking this to the other side, minus will become plus. V square by 4 is equal to 1 minus u. 1 minus u. So now again you have to bring it in the general form. U should be the first term. So minus of u minus 1. So now taking cross multiplying, minus 4 u minus 1. So this is parabola with vertex 1 comma 0. Okay, with vertex 1 comma 0, and focus is at distance 1. Okay, therefore focus is at 0, 0. So v square is minus 4 u minus 1 means h is 1 and k is 0. V square is v minus 0 the whole square. K is 0. So h comma k is 1 comma 0. Focus is 4 into 1, right? 4 into 1. So focus is at a distance 1. Focus is at distance 1. That means negative means, suppose this is u axis and this is v axis, it will be like this. Because why we take like this? Because you have a minus sign here, so it is open towards the negative side, and this is 1 comma 0. Okay, so what about this distance? This distance is 1 because this point is 1. Distance is 1. So focus is at a distance 1 means focus will be here. Focus, this is vertex. Focus will be at a distance 1 from the vertex. Therefore focus is at the point 0 comma 0. So that is the image. Okay, so image will be like this. So now we have got both the images. So now you can confirm like this. Okay, what is that? The strip 1 by 2 less than x less than 1 is mapped conformally onto the region between the parabolas. We have got two parabolas, so you can draw those parabolas like this. Okay, given x is equal to 1 by 2, you can draw a straight line here. X is equal to 1, you can draw a straight line like this, and that is the in between region is at plane. Now what about the image of this? Straight lines are converted to parabola in W plane. X is equal to 1 by 2 means we get a parabola with vertex 1 by 4 comma 0, right? Earlier we have derived, just now we have derived this. So 1 by 4 comma 0, this is a first parabola equation. 1 by 4 comma 0 it is here. You see, this is the first parabola, right? Vertex is at 1 by 4 comma 0. And the second parabola, what about the vertex? Vertex is at 1 comma 0. So we have that here. This is the vertex. Vertex is at 1 comma 0. So let me draw that here. So the first parabola, this distance is 1 means this may be 1 by 2, right? So what you may have a parabola like this. Okay, parabola like this, and this particular point is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So this is the intersecting region. So it is here. So 1 by 4, and this is the intersecting region. So this gives the conclusion. So this is the image. Okay, this is the conclusion. So this question you can try on your own. We had the same question, but instead of x we have y. Find the image of y between 1 by 2 and 1. Previous question you are So we take x between 1 by 2 and 1, here it is y between. So you can follow the same step. Instead of y you can take 1 by 2, then instead of y you can take 1. So you can follow these steps same as previous question, and you can find the parabola. First you will get two solution. When y is equal to 1 by 2 you get a solution. Similarly you can continue with y is equal to 1 and you can find out the solution. Okay, you can try it on your own. Okay.